Hi, I'm a student and yes, today I'm going to with everyone. I wish it's something that can help one cause. But woman was a very princess under stone stuff like steel and concrete, so they can hold a lot of weight. They help us get to places easier and faster. I think bridges are very important because they help us travel. Thank you for listening from presenting station. Now I hope I showed you how I make my model.